The fabs function in C takes the absolute value of a number. Fabs is in the math.h header file, so we will hash include math.h. We will also want to print out our answer, so let's hash include stdio.h. Fabs returns a double, so for our answer we will do double ants equals fabs of negative 3.14. Let's print that answer out. So printf, double quotes, %f for a double, then we printf ants. If we run this code, we get the answer is 3.14. That shouldn't surprise you because that is indeed how absolute value works. The next example might be a little surprising. Let's change our ants to be fabs of negative 3. If we print that answer out, nothing else has to change with the code. If we run this code, we get the answers 3.00. Since fabs returns doubles, it will even return the absolute value of an int as a double. This has been Jacobication. Like and subscribe to learn more.